Hi everyone, I'm Shaik Vaahida. I recently completed my design verification courses Semicon Technolabs. Today I'm here to share my experience. My overall experience was excellent, and the DV course was also very well structured and relevant to the industry levels. And the mentorship is also, they are also very supportive to us, and with hands-on experience in real-time projects, they explained us each and every topic very clearly and addressed our doubts patiently. And they conducted regular mock tests and mock interviews which helped us to understand the topics in a better way and identify the areas where we need to improve on. And the hands-on lab practice is one of the best part of the training, and they provided the tool cadence tool on which we practice the UVM and system value based test benches. And here we give our project reviews and presentations as well, which improved my communication skills and boosted my confidence. And starting with the basic knowledge, I now feel confident to attend interviews and industry projects. So I would like to recommend to other VLSI aspirants as well with Semicon Technolabs. Thank you.